Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness series, in this video I am going to inform you about the complaint redressal, grievance redressal and the appellate procedure under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. So if in case you see that there is any violation of the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act with respect to the building or the maintenance of the building or the occupation of the building by the apartment owners, or there is any contravention in the building by the promoter if the deed of declaration has not been submitted, or if the deed of declaration is wrong, or if the builder has sold any common area. So the first grievance redressal forum is the competent authority, which may be the vice chairperson of the development authority or the chief executive officer of the industrial development authority or the DM of a city where neither a development authority is established nor any industrial development authority is there. So if you feel that there is any violation of this act with respect to the building, then you have to approach the competent authority. And if the competent authority has passed any order and which you think or in your opinion is not the right decision, then against that you can file a revision under of the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act before the principal secretary of the department either of the urban planning department or of the industrial department, depending upon the competent authority. So if the competent authority is a development authority, say Lucknow Development Authority or Ghaziabad Development Authority, Kanpur Development Authority, if it has passed the order, then the appeal or the revision under section 27(2) will lie before the principal secretary of the urban planning department. But if in case it has been passed by the chief executive officer of the industrial development authority, like say if it has been passed by the CO Noida, Greater Noida or Bhadoi Industrial Development Authority, then in that scenario you will have to approach the principal secretary of the industrial department. However, one may also approach before the Honorable High Court if in case the order is patently illegal without jurisdiction and the principle of natural justice have not been followed in the matter. So this is all with respect to the grievance redressal system under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. With this, I say thank you to you for staying with me. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel.